Hello, hello everyone, or I guess hello to like this six people that watch five people that watch my videos. Plus, I guess in those six people are like two of them are my parents, and then one of them is my co-founder. So I guess like three people that don't count family members and co-founder. Um, so anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the updates that we've done to the platform. We've been working on fixing a lot of the bugs, so I might miss out on on a lot of the bugs that we fixed. So I'll just focus more on like little functionalities that we've been working on. We added this join waitlist page. I don't know if I showed it on another video, but we added this page. We added a quick contact email. We added also these couple of text fields just so that you can join the waitlist and you give us information about like sort of like the artist that you are. All of this works. It actually gets saved into our database. So pretty cool. Um, all of it has validation. I think it just needs to be done on mobile because it's pretty ugly. For now. Anyway, that's sort of like basic information there. Another update that we've been working on is the making sure that the page runs in Spanish. We've had some bugs on Spanish like language not working correctly. So this is something that we've been working on making sure that it's consistent throughout pages and stuff like that. So it should work now for the most part. We also, let me see, I'm looking at my notes. We've been working on we ended up fixing the show all page. For some reason before when I showed on the other video, I noticed that we weren't showing the release date. It's just show it wasn't technically a bug because it was being sent. The API was sending it to the front end, but it wasn't just it just wasn't being displayed. Um, Another update that we've been working on here is more on the back end side of things is just making sure that we capture the errors that the DSP send. Because sometimes like you can send like a like a release and then the DSP might reject it for a specific reason or give you errors and stuff like that. So we're working on adding in a functionality where it'll show you the errors here, and then on the UI it'll show you the errors as well, to make sure that so that you're able to fix it and then resend it again. It's another functionality that we're working on. We're also adding focus. We're asking because we're also working on making sure that we're able to edit and making sure that it reflects on the DSPs as well. And another one should be, and I think that should be N on the DSP side of things. I think there's some stuff that oh, and deleting as well for making sure because right now if I delete something from here, it'll delete like if I click on delete, it'll delete like the release from our database, right? And but it won't technically like bring it down from the DSP. So we're working on adding that functionality so that you're able to take down a specific release that you have. Anyways, another thing that we haven't had much time to do is just making sure the validation for the images. And a lot of them, I mean, we let the user upload any type of images, like even if they're not 3000 by 3000. So we still have some validations to add and stuff like that. So not because not everything. I think even like we even accept like MP4 format, which we shouldn't. But for now, since we've been testing out the platform, we really haven't been too picky about it. That's something that we're gonna work on so that we're able to make sure that everything's validated and everything's works good. Um, so I talked about the translation. I think another thing that we worked on is the upload of the song. I don't know why it gives me this. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go. The upload a single. Now it looks a little bit different on mobile. We end up changing it a little bit so that it looks more mobile friendly. From my point of view, it looks a lot more mobile friendly. So interviewed a couple users and they said, and they found it easier to use it on their phones, as opposed to having something like this, but on their phone. It works very similar to the other one, except it just fits a little bit. It fits a lot. I feel like if it fits on your phone better. I think that's the proper way to say it. Anyways, so that's another bug right there that I discovered. But anyways, that should be about for the most part a lot of the changes that we've done. for the past maybe like week or two. I think I think we also did like there's like a lot of like fun stuff that we've been working on. And we've been preparing there might not be a lot of changes on the front end since we've been preparing for the next major update. But anyways, that should be about it for now. I'll make another video about probably like in 2 or 3 weeks whenever I have time. All right.